umpisahan natin doon sa pinakaswerte muna, yung rat. The rat for next year, actually they are still good this year, no? Pero yung luck nila this year ay hindi complete. Kumbaga, nagkaroon ng avenue, nagkaroon ng opportunity because they have the wealth star. They have good auspicious signs. Pero, ang nangyari sa rat, pagod kasi maraming opportunities but not necessarily commensurate yung work nila sa naging profit nila. No? So, depende na yan kung paano mong ginawa ang diskarte mo. But for 2025, the rats actually are blessed with the two of the greatest signs, no? The two of the greatest stars, no? Which is a nobleman and the dragon, no? Virtue. So, itong dalawang signs na to gives you nobleman luck. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, meron at merong tutulong sa'yo. No? So, ito yung mga pagkakataon that, when you wanted something to be done, pag may problema ka, meron kang benefactor, meron agad great people behind you na gagalaw para sa'yo. No? Another luck of the rat next year is a very strong manifesting power. No? So, dapat sa rat next year, since you have that manifesting power, avoid ninyo mag-think negatively. Avoid ninyo negative self-talk. Avoid ninyo yung whining and complaining. Avoid ninyo yung pagko-curse. Yeah? Because this is one of the greatest powers of rat actually for next year. Okay?